I'm Karla Tafra, and I'm a certified yoga teacher registered with Yoga Alliance. I'm here to show you a simple recovery flow that you can do whether you're a powerlifter, regular lifter, a runner, or you're just doing CrossFit or Pilates or whatever you're doing. This is going to help you with recovery and with better sleep. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to have you open up those hips, let gravity do its work, and kind of loosen up your hamstrings, hip flexors, all of it. So just stretch it out and let yourself really feel the stretch. If it's too uncomfortable in this position, slightly come back. Maybe even stay here, pressing through your palms, or you can come down to your forearms. Whatever works for you, but I just really want you to feel it. At the same time, I want you to be able to hold it for at least 30 seconds. So if this doesn't feel good in the first 5, it probably won't the next 25. So just find the position that works, but really feel the stretch. If you're not feeling it, then go deeper. And breathe. Really try to slow your breath to feel every inhale and every exhale flowing through your body and working its magic. And then slowly come all the way out of the pose. Be gentle when coming out. And then bring your leg up and cross it over. Grab your knee, place your right hand back. And then first, before twisting, I really want you to feel like you're lifting yourself up from your seat and then twisting towards back. Really feel that elongation of your spine, like somebody's grabbing your head and pulling it up. And breathe, going deeper with every exhale. Inhale slowly, come all the way back. And just a simple counter twist. And doing it all on the other side. So placing our left leg forward, bringing our right back. You'll notice that one hip is more open than the other. That's completely fine. But try to do the same thing you did on the other side, whether it's coming all the way down on your forearms or maybe all the way up. Whatever works for you, but really try to mirror it. And then just feel the stretch. Breathe into it. Try to really imagine that you're breathing into that spot that is tense. And then slowly come all the way back up. And cross your leg. Grab it with your other hand. Same thing. So inhale here, really lift yourself up and then turn back. Breathing, elongating, and then twisting with every exhale. And then slowly come all the way to the other side. Counter twist, inhale. And then exhale. Slowly, you're gonna come all the way down to your backs. And then bring your knees into your chest. Really hug them in, press them in, so that you really feel your whole spine in your mat, the floor. And then from here, you're gonna grab the insides of your feet. So this is not a resting pose, and there's a reason for it. You're gonna pull your feet down, and at the same time, you're gonna kick into your hands. What that does is it actually elongates your spine, and it brings all of your muscles into the floor, and they're stretching out. Imagine oxygen flowing through them, making them really healthy, and speeding up your recovery. And taking deep breaths here. And then slowly relax. Bring your knees back in. And then bring your right leg all the way to the inside, almost into your armpit. And relax your left leg all the way down into the floor. You don't have to flex your feet, you don't have to even point them, just relax your leg all the way down. Inhale here, and then exhale. First, just open it to the side, but make sure this hip doesn't roll over. So you can place your hand on top of it, keeping it down, really protecting your hips, but slowly loosening them up. And then grab your knee with your other hand, and slowly cross it over your body, gazing to the right, making sure both of your shoulders are in the floor, So if your shoulder pops up, try to come a little bit back. It doesn't matter how far you go with the knee. And come back to center. Bring your knee up. Bring your left knee to join. And then switch sides. It's always important to reset. So first, grabbing your knee, pulling it high up, and then open it to the side, making sure your right hip doesn't roll over. Breathing here into your stretch. And then slowly grabbing it with your right hand, crossing it over your body, and gazing to the left. Same principle. One hip may be more open than the other. So if this one is really high, it's totally fine. Make sure that your shoulders are in the floor. This is a priority. Every twist, start from above. And then slowly bring it back in. Bring your right knee in. Then hug them in one more time, making sure your spine is elongated, really breathing into it. And using your breath to relax, bring your nervous system all the way down to rest and digest, not to fight and fight. And then cross your ankles, and then rock yourself all the way up. And that is it. That's a great recovery flow to do even before bedtime. Thank you for being here.